Aliana Alexunurin, Fortune Kid Award, Mountain Horn Award, and Master Award. Penelope Chin T. Cordova, Sunshine Award. Maria Isabel L. D. Loyola, Charles Award, Sunshine Award, and Friendly Neighbor Award. Felicia Marie P. Marañon, Extra Miler Award, Valley Mention, Peter Pinky Award, and Madam Masilasi Award. Akisha Alamos, Sunshine Award. Para Adriel B. Reyes, World Winner Award, Prudent Worker Award, Liberty Kid Award, and Young Dancer Award. Maria Isabella E. Yanguas, Enthusiastic Learner Award, Friendly Maker Award, and Knit Kid Award. Congratulations, Peter Lily. Okay. Again, kids, go back to your proper seats. Peter Daisy, balik sa lipunan, haliho. Excuse me, kids, go back to your seats. Haliho po, binikanan, haliho tasis.
So ayun po, kapalik kasi sa ating palanan po, kaya wala pa na-finish ang ating program. Salamat kayo ha. Please assist me sa mga bata na should kayo sa ito priorities. Thank you.
Okay, before I start, children, go back to your seat.